saved it, but I'm not able to open it. Attendance. I got the attendance sheet. Okay, okay. First is Vishwanath Mandal. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Open your video. Let me see your face, Vishwanath.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Vishwanath Mandal.
Yes, sir.
Did you open the video?
Yes, sir. I opened the video.
You have opened.
Yes, sir.
I'm not able to see. Please check it. Yeah.
I have opened.
No, I'm not able to see your face, Vishwanath Mandal.
Here it is shown.
Here it is showing Vishwanath Mandal.
Yes, sir. It is showing my face. There.
I'm not able to see your face.
Bottom.
Vishwanath Mandal, I'm not able to see your face.
Here it is. Your camera is on.
It is showing your face.
Yes, sir. It is showing my face.
Vishwanath Mandal. So, Vishwanath, good afternoon, Vishwanath. From where you are? Which place? Which place?
I'm from West Bengal, Bankura.
Bankura. Acha. Which year you completed your BTech?
The year of 2019 from Jalpaiguri Government Engineering College.
Acha, 2019. You had the subject of software engineering earlier in your BTech program?
Yes, sir. I have one subject software engineering.
Which book you were following?
Sir, the book by Rajiv Mal, Software Engineering.
Acha, Rajiv Mal. Okay. Rajiv Mal. Okay. So, after 2019, any job were you doing or you are?
Sir, I have prepared for GATE from home.
Okay. Why did you choose software engineering, or you didn't get any other branch, so that's why you picked up software engineering?
No, sir, actually I am from information security.
You are from IT area.
Information security.
Information technology or information security?
Information security. I have done my BTech in computer science and engineering, and in NIT Rourkela, I have admitted to information security.
Oh, you have taken admission to IAS?
Yes.
You please talk with your supervisor, because usually this subject was not earlier allowed for the IAS student. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So you send a mail to them whether you can join this subject or not.
Oh, okay, sir.
You please send a mail. Earlier, this type of opportunity was not there. This was mostly for the software engineering students. Okay.
So to whom I will send the mail? Faculty advisor.
Anybody has made any contact with you? Anybody?
No, sir. No one contact with me.
Nobody has made any contact with you?
No, sir.
Till now, nobody?
No, sir. Nobody contacted.
Any faculty advisor name has been given to you?
Yes, sir. Faculty advisor name is given.
Whose name is there?
Professor Tapas Kumar Mishra.
So you write a mail to Tapas Kumar Mishra that I came to understand that this subject was earlier not being offered to the IAS student. Okay. So whether this is, I don't know whether this is there specially allowed you or not, I do not know. Okay. So please write a mail to Tapas Mishra. Okay.
Yes, sir. So I will today I will send.
Today you send a mail to him that whether my enrollment is done correctly or not. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Earlier it was not the practice.
Oh.
This year, I do not know whether this year it has been done or by mistake you have been given or something like that. I do not know. Okay.
So sir, we have given the option. So I will send him a mail.
Option was there. Option was there.
Yes, sir. Option was there. To choose this
Okay.
subject.
So you ask him. Ask
Okay,
him.
okay.
There is nothing wrong in.
Is it right or wrong? Okay, sir. I will.
There is nothing wrong. You can send a mail. Earlier, this type of
Yes,
opportunity was not there. If at all this year they have the opportunity, fine. I do not have
Okay.
any. Yeah.
Okay, sir. I will ask him. Thank you, sir.
Inquire from Tapas Misra. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. So you are a IS student. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Then next is Rakesh Kumar. You are also IS student, right? Rakesh.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Rakesh Kumar. Let me see. Let me see. Where is Rakesh? Yeah. Rakesh Kumar. Yeah. Rakesh, where from you are?
I'm from Hyderabad.
Acha, Rakesh Kumar. You are also information security student. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hyderabad. Okay. You also sent a mail. Earlier it was not the practice whether this option has been correctly given or not. Okay.
Okay.
You
Okay.
just
Sure.
ask. If
Yeah.
it is given, nothing. I won't have any inhibition. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. You just. Okay. Okay, Rakesh. Okay. Then Karthik. Hello, Karthik. Karthik Bhukia. Karthik Bhukia is from IS. Karthik Bhukia. He has not joined. Karthik, you have not joined. Hello, Karthik. Okay. Karthik has not joined. Okay. Karthik has not joined today. Today is the first class. If anybody has his contact number, please tell him. Okay.
Karthik is not joined, sir.
Karthik has. Okay. Karthik. Rachit Deshpande. Rachit.
Yes, sir.
So let me see your face.
Yes, sir. I have enabled video.
Okay. Rachit Deshpande.
Yes, sir.
So you are also from IS stream, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Rachit. From where you are? Deshpande from Maharashtra.
No, sir. I'm from Bhopal.
You are from Bhopal. Okay. From which college you passed?
Sir, I've completed my BTech from SRM University, NCR campus.
NCR. NCR means where?
Sir, near Ghaziabad, it's National Capital Region.
Acha. SRM is university. Okay. Deshpande. Okay. Now, now I will call whom I will call. Deshpande. Then Subham Kumar. Subham Kumar. Subham Kumar is present. He is also absent. Kumar is absent. Okay. Subham Kumar is absent. Then Vikas Kumar from software engineering. Yeah. Vikas Kumar from software engineering. Is he present? Oh. He is also absent. Okay. Vikas Kumar. How many have joined today? 20 have joined. After 26, 20 have joined. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Then Vikas Kumar is absent. Jitendra Gora. Jitendra Gora. He was there, I
Yes,
think.
sir. Present.
You are
Yeah,
available?
I'm here only. Yes, sir. I'm
Jitendra.
available.
Yeah, Jitendra. Oh, you are Jitendra Gora.
Yes, sir.
Jitendra, which place you are from?
I'm from Rajasthan, sir. I've done my BTech from Allahabad University.
Rajasthan, which place?
It's near Jaipur, like 100 kilometer from Jaipur only.
Okay, you did BTech from
Allahabad University.
Allahabad University, in the university or somewhere outside any college in the university or in the university?
Yeah, it's in the university only. It's a department in the university.
Oh, department. There's some Jha, Sudhanshu Jha has joined a new faculty in BTech. Have you
Yes, sir.
visited?
Yeah, I know him. Yes, sir. He recently joined.
Yeah, he recently was at NIT Jamshedpur. Yeah,
Yeah,
from
sir.
He
Yeah.
belongs to Allahabad. He went from Jamshedpur to Allahabad. Okay.
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
you are that college, Jitendra. Okay. When did you complete? This year?
No, last year,
Last
2019. Yeah.
2019. Did you have any subject on software engineering?
Yeah, in my fourth semester, I guess we had this subject.
Oh, fourth semester. Acha.
Yeah, fourth or fifth semester, I guess.
Which book you were following?
We were referring the online research paper or the blogs or something. Yeah.
Online course. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So after 2019, you are engaged somewhere or preparing?
I have rewritten the GATE exam this year only.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, fine.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Thank you, Gora.
Thank you, sir.
And Asim Guleria. Asim.
Yes, sir. Present, sir.
Yeah. So Asim, switch on your video. Asim Guleria.
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm on. Sir.
Asim Guleria. Yeah, I saw your face. Fine. Asim, from which place you are?
Sir, I am from Himachal Pradesh, sir.
Himachal Pradesh. From which place?
Sir, Kangra district, sir.
From where you completed your BTech?
Sir, I am completed from Punjab University, Chandigarh, sir.
Oh, Punjabi.
Yes, sir.
Any university college or any other?
Sir, regional center, sir. In Hoshiarpur, sir, Punjab. Yes, sir.
In Hoshiarpur.
Yes, sir.
Which year?
The
2019?
last year, sir.
Any book? You had the subject on software engineering?
Yes, sir. In fifth semester, sir, I think.
Any book you were following?
Sir, it's Rajiv Mall. Yes, sir.
Okay, Asim. You are
Thank you,
basically
sir.
Himachal and you studied at Punjab.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Then Guleria, then Asutosh Gupta. Let me see your face. Asutosh. Asutosh Gupta. Absent. Okay. Asutosh is absent. Okay. Then Pratik Jaiswal. Pratik. Hello, Pratik.
Not online, sir.
Not present, eh? Pratik Jaiswal. Okay. Absent. Okay. Then after Pratik, Shubham Pradeep Kulkarni. Shubham Pratik Kulkarni.
Hello, sir. I am present.
Yeah, you are present. Yeah.
Yes.
Let me see your face. Shubham Kulkarni. Let me see your face.
Yes, sir. I have started my video.
It's okay, okay, okay. Your signal is little bit not
Yeah,
that good.
my webcam is not that good.
Yeah. From which place you are?
I am from Maharashtra, Aurangabad.
Aurangabad. Okay. From where you completed your BTech?
I completed my BTech from Government Engineering College, Aurangabad.
Which year?
I completed in 2018.
Oh, then what you were doing?
I worked in TCS for a year, and then I prepared for GATE after that.
Okay, 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 okay. Okay. So any book you were following on software engineering?
We were following online resources only, sir. Like particular book, I think it was some Eon Somerville.
Somerville. Okay, Somerville. Okay. Just I want to hear any book you are following or not. Okay. Okay, Subhan. Okay. So you are from Aurangabad. Okay,
Yes.
fine. Fine. Aurangabad is close to our Shirdi Sai Baba's temple, right?
Yes, yes, it is close.
Very close. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay. Okay. After Shubham Kulkarni, then come Muhammad Rekaz Mudassir. Muhammad Rekaz Mudassir. Mudassir, are you here? Muhammad Mudassir.
Absent.
Muhammad Mudassir. Okay, absent. Okay, 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 okay. Then, after Muhammad Mudassir, then comes Nirmal Chandra Panda. Nirmal,
Yes, sir.
are you available?
Yes, sir.
So open your video.
Sir, I have opened.
So it is taking time. It's taking time. Yeah, it's can. Nirmal Chandra Panda. Nirmal Panda, from which place you are?
Sir, I am from Odisha.
From which place?
Kandhamal, Odisha.
Kandhamal. Kandhamal, which place I am telling?
Sir, Kandhamal is the district.
Yeah, tell me the place, location.
Fulbani.
Fulbani. Fulbani is the district. I am telling location.
Okay, sir.
Which place? Fulbani, town or
Yes.
nearby?
Town.
No, tell me. I am asking which place. Okay, okay, okay. So from which college you passed, Nirmal?
Sir, Indira Gandhi Institute of Technology.
Sarang.
Yes, sir.
Which year?
2019.
Okay. So you are doing something in the meantime?
No, sir, I was preparing for GATE.
Okay. Why did you take this software engineering? You didn't get computer science or information security or what?
Yes, sir, I didn't get in computer science.
Okay. Good confession. Good. Okay, I don't mind for that. Okay. Nirmal Panda. Then Siddharth Rautrai.
Present, sir.
Where is your? Yeah,
Afternoon, sir.
Siddharth Rautrai. You are from which place?
Sir, Chaudhar Katak.
Siddharth Rautwar is from Chaudhar. Okay. Which college you are reading?
Sir, I passed from Centurion University.
University location at?
Sir, Jotani, sir.
Which year you passed?
Sir, 2019.
You also took this uh, software MTech in software engineering because you didn't get other branches, or you had the interest for this?
Sir, it's kind of both. So I had the interest, but also I didn't get CS.
You didn't try for IS or what?
Sir?
You didn't get IS, information security?
No, sir, I had no interest for IS. I had my second priority was software engineering, and first priority was CS.
Okay. Just. Then comes Andrila Saha.
Yes, sir.
So Andrila, yeah. From which place you are?
Sir, I'm from West Bengal.
Okay. Which place I am asking?
Okay, Nobodip, the place is called in Nadia district.
Navadvip. I do not know much about Navadvip. Anyway, so it's how much kilometer from Calcutta?
It's like 4 hours by train. It's close to Mayapur. Maybe you have heard of Mayapur.
I've heard of Mayapur. Yeah, I've
Yeah,
gone there.
so
I've gone
okay. Yeah, so it's very close to Mayapur, like just half an hour away from there.
there. Oh, so your native place is Navadvip. And you
Yes,
did your BTech from which college?
Kalyani Government Engineering College. It's in Kalyani. Yeah.
Yeah. It's a government engineering college. Eh? Which year you
Yes.
passed?
Sir, I'm 2017 pass out.
Oh. So what you are doing?
Sir, I've been working in Wipro for 2.5 years.
Oh, then why did you leave that job and join here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you didn't get computer science, IS, then joined this software engineering, or you had the interest?
My first choice was computer science, which I did not get because of marks. But second was always software engineering. I was not interested in IS.
Okay. Indrila.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the meaning of Indrila? I do not know the meaning.
So Bengali name, so it has lots of meanings. So
What is the exact meaning of Indrila?
one meaning is like daughter of a saint. So that
Daughter
is
of
one.
a saint.
Saint. Yeah.
Daughter of a saint.
Yeah.
Okay.
So there are different meanings actually.
Okay. It's a new name for me. I have never heard this Indrila name again.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, anyway. Okay, thank you. Ranveer, are you available? Ranveer Singh.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me see.
Yes, sir.
Ranveer Singh, yeah. Ranveer Singh, you are from which place?
Sir, Jharkhand, Ramgarh, sir.
Ramgarh is nearby Bokaro, I think.
No, sir, it is 40 kilometers near to Ranchi, the capital.
Okay. Ranveer Singh from. So, which year you passed?
Sir, 2017, sir.
Oh, what you are doing?
Sir, I worked for a private company that is in Chennai for 1 year, and then I prepared for GATE, computer science.
From which college you passed?
Sir, it is in Odisha, BTech. It is a Synergy Institute of Engineering and Technology. It is in Dhenkanal.
Okay. you had gone through a subject of software engineering.
Yes, sir. In BTech in 7 semesters.
Any book you are following?
Rajiv Mall, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir.
Thank you. You are Ranveer Singh gone. Then Iruguri Somosekhar.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. That is your way.
Sir?
Yeah. Are you available? Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Iruguri Somosekhar. Yeah. Somosekhar. Okay, Somosekhar, Iruguri. Everybody must be calling you as Somosekhar, right?
Yes, Somu Shekhar.
Yeah, Somu.
You can call me Somu.
Yeah, Somu. Oh, great.
Yeah.
MU, SOMU.
Yes, FOMU.
Okay, Somu. Tell me which year you completed your BTech?
2019, sir.
From which college?
From JNTU College of Engineering, Anantapuramu in Andhra Pradesh.
Anantapuram. Okay. You belong to which place?
Andhra Pradesh, sir. Kadapa district.
Which place? Kadapa.
Kadapa.
Okay. So any book you were following on this on software engineering?
No, sir. Online resources only.
Okay, Somasekhar, thank you.
Okay,
So, okay, thank you. Next, I am going to Harisab Soni. Harisab.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, Harisab
Yes, sir.
Soni.
Sir. Sir, I am from Chindwara, Madhya Pradesh.
Chindwara, Madhya Pradesh. Which college you passed from?
Sir, I have done my BE from Samrat Ashok Technological Institute, Vidisha, Madhya Pradesh.
Which year?
Sir, this year only, 2020.
Oh, you completed in 2020?
Yes, sir.
Oh, great. You had a subject on software engineering?
Yes, sir.
Any book you were following?
Sir, we were following Rajiv Mall and mainly online resources only.
Okay. Okay, Soni.
Sir, my name is pronounced as Rishabh only.
Harisab Soni, na? Harisab Soni.
No, sir. H is silent. H is silent. Rishabh Soni.
Oh, Rishabh. Why you write H?
Sir, it has to deal with the name written in Hindi only. Some write in Hindi with Ra, some write with Tri Rishika. So I write with Tri Rishika. That's why I use H in English.
But your actual name in your school was Rishabh or H Rishabh?
Sir, school only H Rishabh only. Sir.
H dot Rishabh, H dot Rishabh or continuous?
No, sir. Continuous. Everywhere it's H Rishabh. Continuous.
And there is no dot in between?
No, sir.
Oh. Rishabh is a very common name to us. We had never had a name H then R continuously. We had never had any name like that. So it is becoming confusion for us. Rishabh is a very common name. Rishabh is a common name. But H Rishabh and continuously putting no dot in between, that brings confusion. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Then Akshay Kumar. Are you available, Akshay? Akshay Kumar. Not available?
Not, sir.
Not available. Akshay Kumar absent. Absent. Okay. After Akshay Kumar, Rahul Sahu.
Yes, sir.
So Rahul, Did you open your video?
It is open, sir.
It's open. It's taking time. Then it's taking time. I'm not able to see your picture. Rahul Sahu, I'm not able to see your picture.
Sir, video is open.
But I'm not able to. Now it came. Yeah, it came. So Rahul Sahu, you are from which place?
Sir, I'm from Gazipur near Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh.
Gazipur, Varanasi. So Sahu title is also there in Gazipur, Varanasi, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Sahu are mostly the business people, I think. Sahu are spread all through the country, I think.
Yes, sir.
Sahu, a lot of people are there in Bihar. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Gazipur, Varanasi. So Rahul, from which place you did your BTech?
Sir, I completed my BTech from Bundelkhand University, Jhansi, Uttar Pradesh.
Oh. It's a college under university or a university campus?
No, sir, main campus.
It is in Jhansi town?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Oh, which year you did? Which year?
Last year, sir, 2019.
Okay. So you had a subject on software engineering there?
Yes, sir, there was.
What book or anything you are following? Any reference material?
Yes, sir, Bali.
Bali?
Yes, sir.
Author's name is Bali?
Yes, sir.
Wow. I've never had any book like by Bali. Are you sure? I have never heard such a book.
Yes, sir, I'm sure.
You are sure? Okay. Let me. Okay, thank you, Rahul.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Chandrakant Kumar, are you available?
Yes, sir. Present, sir.
Okay, switch on your video, Chandrakant.
Hello.
Yeah, switch on your
Sir,
video.
it's already. Yes, sir. It's on, sir.
It's on. I'm not able to see your picture.
Sir, it's on from my side, sir.
Maybe
Let me do it again, sir.
Yeah.
Am I visible?
Yeah. You are visible.
Yes, sir.
Chandrakant Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Chaudhary. Yeah, Chandrakant
Yes,
Kumar
sir.
Chaudhary. So Chaudhary, you are from which place?
Sir, I'm from Patna, Bihar.
Patna, Bihar. Okay. So where from you passed your BTech?
Sir, I did my BTech from Ajit Singh Punjab Technical University.
Which year?
Sir, this is my final year.
So you have completed your study or not yet?
So my final semester exam is yet to be scheduled.
Oh, okay. I think this boy has passed. I think who? One has completed the course. I think somebody told na. Sony, I think, right?
Rishabh Soni.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. My university has already taken examination, sir.
Rishabh Soni is from 2020 batch. You are also 2020 batch.
Yes, sir.
And your exam not yet conducted.
No, sir. It will be taken on 29th of September, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And Rishabh Soni, your exam is over?
Yes, sir. Exam is over, sir. Result is declared.
Result is declared.
Yes, sir.
But exam not yet conducted.
No, sir.
Okay, after Chandrakant, Shibam Dalmia. Shibam Dalmia, are you available?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, let's see your Shibam Dalmia. Okay, Shibam. Okay, I
Yes,
saw
sir.
your face. From which place you are?
So I'm from Calcutta, West Bengal.
Calcutta town or somewhere nearby?
No, sir, town.
So which place you, from which place you completed your BTech or which college?
So I completed my BTech from Bengal Institute of Technology under Makaut, and I completed my BTech on 2018, computer science.
Bengal Institute of Technology, which place located at?
So at Calcutta only.
So you completed in 2018. So
Yes, sir.
after that, what you are doing?
So I did a job for 1.5 years in Mindtree. Then I returned and prepared for GATE, and then.
Any book you are following on software engineering?
So mainly YouTube and online research.
Okay, okay, Shivam. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Gauri Achyut Kumar Gauri, na Guduri Achyut Kumar, are you available? Guduri. Guduri Achyut Kumar. Achyut. Not
Absent.
Not absent. Absent. Oh. Guduri Achyut Kumar. Okay. Absent. Okay. Rakesh Kumar. Are you available, Rakesh Kumar? Rakesh. Oh. Okay. Absent. Okay, Raj. Okay. Okay. Mahendra Kumar Sharma. Are you available, Mahendra?
Absent.
Oh. Mahendra Kumar Sharma. Okay. The last person, Banot Srilekha. Srilekha.
Yes.
Yeah, Srilekha is present. Yeah. Switch on your video.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Srilekha. Okay. Okay, Srilekha. Banot, Srilekha, Banot. You people call you Banot or Srilekha or what?
Srilekha, sir.
Srilekha, from which place you are?
I'm from Telangana, Khammam district, sir.
From which place?
I belong to a village which is 60 kilometers away from Khammam.
Khammam. So nearby town is Khammam.
No, sir, it's a district, town Ilandu. Have you ever heard Singareni?
Singeri, yeah.
Singareni, sir, Singareni coal mines. Have you ever heard?
Yeah. Singarini coal mines, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Nearby that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Srilekha, which year you completed?
2018, sir.
So what you are doing?
I had worked in a company and later on I prepared for GATE, sir.
So you had a subject on software engineering?
Yes, sir. I remember like it's in second sem I think so, sir. But no particular book, sir. We prepared on like we used online sources itself.
So we have, you are the last student, fine, Silekha. So you are interested in this subject, software
Yes, sir.
engineering? You are
Yes, sir.
interested? Okay, good. Okay. So we have 2 girls and the rest 19 boys are there. 19 boys and 2 girls in our software engineering subject. I do not know whether the IS students can join here, can be able to join here or not. So you IS students, please get yourself confirmed. Earlier they had some other choices. If this choice has been given this year, fine. I don't have any objection. So, okay, fine. Okay, fine. Let me introduce myself then. I am SK Rath. You can get my details from the net. I am little bit a senior person of this department, this institute as a whole. You can check my details. I love this subject, software engineering, because computer science is only people come to know about computer science only when it is implemented in the form of a software, when it has a demand for any application purpose. So since it has a public demand for any application purpose, the subject software engineering, I appreciate very much. I love this subject very much. So I have been teaching this subject. I am the person who started this course MTech in software engineering way back in 2010. So since then, a lot of batches have rolled out and placement scenario is good. This year also, I think, though the corona problem has been started, still then some students have already got placed and others are expecting that some companies will hire them soon. And also, if at all some of you have interest for higher studies, this subject also helps for higher studies in the direction of PhD. A lot of my students have joined in PhD program outside India and inside India, and they have been doing excellent. This subject will be supported by 2 of my students. You can see their faces. One is Debachudamani Prushti, who is online video. He is doing PhD with me since 2018 January. He is doing PhD. So initial some classes I will be taking, then Mr. Debach Bhaiya, people love to call him as Deba Bhaiya. So Deba Bhaiya will be taking classes. I'll be there. I'll be watching how about the progress of the class. I'll be sitting, and any doubt, anything, I am the person to respond. Anything, anybody makes any query, I am the person to respond. But you will be taking basic fundamental classes. But I'll be available. Always I will be available. Always. Then sometimes he may be busy. He is doing PhD. So to help him, one of my MTech student, your senior batch student, Subham Ingole. Please, Subham, switch on your video. Subham.
Yeah.
Subham
Yes,
Ingole.
sir.
Yeah. Subham
Yes, sir.
Ingole. Subham
Subham
Ingole.
Kumar.
Ingole Purushottam Sundar.
Ingole was there.
I am Subham Kumar.
No, so please switch off your video. Yeah. Subham Kumar. No. Subham Ingole. Ingole was here.
Sir, I gave a call to him. He was online, but currently is not.
Maybe he
may face some
net
issues
problem.
with his network.
So anyway, you will see his face after some time. So Subham Ingole is a second year MTech student. He is doing his project work with me. So he will be helping Deba Bhaiya. Okay. So I will be assisted by Debabhaya, and Debabhaya will be assisted by Shubham Ingole. Ingole, he is from Maharashtra. So we are three associated with you for this theory subject, as well as there is a laboratory subject also, software architecture laboratory, where we three will be associated. We'll be taking your laboratory class. That's once in a week. It is on Wednesday at 9 a.m. 9 to 12, Wednesday. Okay?
Sir, now Shubham is online.
Hello.
Shubham Ingole,
Yes, sir.
yeah, switch on your video.
Sir, wait a minute, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, Shubham Ingole is opening the video. You can give a look at his face. And if you want to download his picture also, you can download his picture. Yeah. He is a very bright boy, very nice boy, very smiling boy. And he's just 1 year senior to you. Last year he had joined and he has become 1 year senior by now. And he will be assisting Debabhaya when Debabhaya is a bit busy. Ingole will do the job of taking class for this subject, theory and laboratory. Okay? So we three are associated with this subject as well as its laboratory part. Laboratory, this subject will be taking theory class on Monday 4:15 p.m., Tuesday 4:15 p.m. and Thursday 4:15 p.m. for 1 hour. 1 hour or 1 hour 15 minutes we will be taking. And one lab which is from 9 to 12. We will be taking lab on Wednesday at 9 a.m. 9 to 12. Okay. Then, regarding the book.
Yes, sir.
Regarding the book, we will be following strictly one book. That is the book which I had written in the Google Meet in the very first page. That is Software Architecture Foundations, Theory and Practice by Richard N. Taylor, Ninad Medvedovic, and Eric M. Dasofi. Okay. So we'll be taking the help of this book strictly. And I have a love for this book. So I expect that my children or my students should also love this book and keep this book with you. Thing is that during this corona problem, the book is not available. Hardly few copies, 1 or 2 copies are available in the country. So please take some necessary action so that you can keep a book with you, because it's a very nice book. And I expect that a student should refer a book all along. I do not appreciate your BTech study referring to a online resources. I never appreciate. I want that a student should have a book on his table to study. That's my temperament. So I will be happy if you join with me. And this book has a very nice English. You will learn English from this book. Pretty good book. I always appreciate this book. So I'll be happy if you keep this book on your table, a physical book. So search this book and try to get it, whatever may be the cost or any requirement. It's not available.
So can you repeat?
Yeah. During this corona problem, it is not available. Hello?
Can you repeat the name once, sir? Name of the book, sir.
It is there in the Google team, in the very front page I had written. You check it.
Okay, sir.
It is there in the very front page of the Google team. It is written. Okay. You check it. So, software architecture is a very standard book by Taylor. Very standard book by Taylor. Taylor, Manubit, and Dassofi. Software architecture. It's a very standard book. All through the world, they refer to it. All through the world. Very few places this subject is being offered, and our NIT is very famous for this subject on software engineering, and we offer from this book. A very standard book. Okay, so this is regarding the book. And regarding the chapters, this book has total 17 chapters. Okay, so 17 chapters. We'll try to cover first 7 to 8 chapters in the during the first 2 months, and then again 7 to 8 chapters in the next 2 months. So likewise, we'll try to finish the 17 chapters, and we'll have very regular seminar presentation. Very regularly seminar presentation, and the day we'll have the seminar presentation, our study time will be extended from 1 hour to 2 hours or 3 hours. So please bear with me and take interest in it. The more you present, the more confidence you develop on yourself and on the subject. And I usually ask questions from the seminar presentation. So be attentive and take note of every sentence whoever speaks. I am little bit very much orthodoxial in nature. I expect that if my class starts at 4:15, everybody should be available at 4:10. Before the scheduled time. I do not appreciate anybody delayed by 5 minutes. I give apology or excuse the students who are late by maximum 5 minutes, not beyond that. So I always believe in the discipline. So please help me. Please stick to the discipline. If you are not disciplined, you will really not be happy with me, and I will not be happy with you. I am the little bit senior person of this department. This department is built up in my hand only. So with it, only my background is little bit of discipline and responsibility. If I trust anybody, I expect that he should be disciplined and a responsible person. So that's my nature. Anyway, regarding the software architecture, those I heard that 2 persons were in job. Someone was in TCS, someone was in Wipro, someone was working in some other software companies. So likewise, I heard that. Okay, fine. This software architecture is an extension of whatever you had read in your software engineering. In software engineering, if you remember, while developing a software, we follow the 3 steps basically. That is analysis and design, that the first phase. Second phase is the implementation, and third phase is the testing. These are the 3 phases through which the software development process passes through. 3 phases. Analysis and design that covers around 40% of the whole job. Implementation covers only 20%, which covers only writing the code. Then the testing covers 40%. Initially, whenever any problem comes, the solution of it is being planned or analysis of the solution is thought of. Then the proposed solution is designed. So first you analyze a problem, how you will proceed. Then according to as per your planning, you plan for its solution. You plan means you design its solution. Then you try to write, because it's a software, you try to write code for it. That is implementation. The initial phase, analysis and design, play a very vital role. Because you have a problem which is written in English text, you have to understand it, digest it, plan for its solution. So an English text submitted by any client is given to the analyst for analyzing the problem and then design a solution for it. Then, as per the design, the developers or the coders or the implementers write code for it. If you design it correctly, then you can write the code correctly. If you write the code correctly, then if you test it, there will be least error. So you see how things move sequentially, one after another. You got a problem, you analyze the problem, find a solution for it. To find a solution for it is called design a solution for it. Then after designing a solution, then you write a code for it to implement it. Once you write a code for it, it is supposed to work fine, but it never works properly. So you need to test it, whether you have written properly the codes or not, whether it is supposed to behave in the way you have analyzed and designed the solution. Then comes the testing. So initial analysis and design part takes 40% of whole effort, and testing takes 40% of the whole effort. So 40/40 is 80, rest 20% is only writing the code. So whatever in your BTech program you have learned, the algorithm, the data structure, the principles of programming, whatever, mostly they are covered under the writing the code, the implementation part. But you can only implement if your analysis and design is done correctly. The analysis and design, whatever you have read in your BTech program, you might have heard the name of application of UML tool. Have you heard it? In your object-oriented analysis and design, have you heard, dear students, have you heard the word UML? Anybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, 2, 3. So 3.
Yes, sir.
So one is
Yes.
Rohit Rachi, another is Chandrakant, another is Shivam Dalmia, another is Rishabh Soni. So four students have heard the name of UML tool, UML. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Others haven't.
Yes.
Others haven't
Yes,
heard
sir.
the name of UML. Others.
Sir, I have heard the name.
Yes,
Sir, I have heard, sir. Sir, I have
You
heard.
have
Sir.
not used Srilekha.
Hard,
Srilekha,
sir.
you have not used Srilekha.
UML, sir. UML
Yes,
with
sir.
oops with UML.
Srilekha, you have used.
Sir.
Srilekha, you have used.
Yes, sir. Very basic unified modifying languages, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mahendra Kumar Sarma, absent is. No, Mahendra is absent. Yeah. Then Shivam Dalmia, you have. Okay. Chandrakant, you have. Rahul Sahu from Jhansi.
Yes, sir.
Have you heard the word UML
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
but not used it?
Yes.
Okay, Rahul. Then Rishabh Soni, you have used it,
No, sir. I hadn't used it.
but you have heard it.
Yes, sir. We have heard it that we have to make diagrams for the clients that they can understand. Basic procedures.
Okay. How about Somo? Somo? Somosekhar.
Yes, sir. I heard it, sir.
You
Yes,
have
sir.
read it? You have read it?
Yeah, we have in BTech, sir. Yes, sir. We have in BTech.
You have heard the name of this UML?
In BTech, sir. BTech semesters, one subject is there, sir. UML. One laboratory is there.
Okay. And
Hello.
Ranveer Singh from Synergy.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Heard.
Had you read it, this UML?
Yes, sir. Heard about it. UML. Yes, sir.
Mahendrala Sahan from Navadip, have you heard it?
Yes,
UML?
sir. Yes,
You
sir.
have
Heard
you had read it? You had read it something about it? UML?
Yes, sir. Read it, but not worked on it like that. Means read it. It was there in our syllabus.
Okay. Siddharth Rautray from Chaudhar, had you read
Yes, sir.
it?
Yes, sir. Sir, it was not in our syllabus, but I have heard of it, sir.
Hard. Okay, Nirmal Panda from Fulbani.
Yes, sir.
Have you read it?
No, sir. I have only heard about it.
Not read. Okay, Subham Kulkarni from. You had
Yes.
read it in your Somerville book?
Yes, sir.
Subham?
Yes, sir. I have read about it, but I have not like used it.
Then Asim Guleria, have you heard it? This
Yes,
UML?
Yes, sir. I have heard about it. But sir, don't remember whether I use it or not.
And not used it.
Yes.
But you had read it.
Yes, sir. Heard about it. Read it. Don't know.
Heard.
Yes.
Jitendra Gora, had you read it?
Yes, sir. I've heard about it. A little bit of read about it, but haven't used it.
Vikas Kumar? Vikas Kumar, he was absent, was he? I don't remember. Vikas Kumar was absent or present? Okay, so I asked individually. This is the first class, so I am interacting. Otherwise, I don't interact so much. Your interest to get anything from me, it's not my interest. That's the reason that you have not gone through any standard book on software engineering. That's why some students are telling that you have heard it, somebody has read it but forgotten, not used it. So this type of sentences you are speaking out because you have not got any standard book in your hand during your BTech program. That type of wrong culture through which you went through. I don't appreciate that. So during this night, go through what is UML, how does it help, and what are the basic diagrams. And one diagram I am telling very categorically, that is class diagram. You go through that today and submit 2-page write-up to Deba Bhaiya. Don't copy paste, write in your own word, okay? Deba Bhaiya will give you his mail ID. In your mail it will reach you. From the day one, I want to make you serious. If you want to study, study properly. Otherwise, don't attend my class. It is not an invitation from my side. You have to be serious. If you want to study, then study properly. Be a student in true sense. Well, this UML is a modeling tool. It helps to model the design, in which direction you should go. It helps that model of the design. As I told, there is a class diagram. The class diagram is the heart of any software. Looking at the class diagram, the developer develops different modules. So the modules for which the codes are written, they are represented in the form of classes, and those classes are properly identified in the class diagram of UML. Okay, but the UML is not sufficient enough to design a large, big solution. You check tonight what is the line of code of your Windows 10 or any banking software. Usually or any airline reservation system, they are huge in nature, huge in nature. So with that type of large software where the number of codes are high, we usually develop it in the form of modules. So how to design a software having a large number of modules? And usually in any industry, those who are from TCS or Wipro, they will definitely remember that their boss all the time tells, don't make the module size above 60 to 65 lines. So one module is usually kept within 60 to 65 lines. And in any large software like a railway reservation system or any ticket booking of any bus or any banking, there usually the code length is in millions. So you can think of how many modules will be there. So how to design a proper software where the modules will be kept in a proper organized manner. Okay? So how we can plan for it? So that is what is called as the architecture. That is what is called as the architecture. In a civil engineering, those who have heard that there is a branch of architecture where the students who read the subject on architecture, they design the building properly to have a proper look, and how they can aesthetically design a proper building. Just give a look at the Mukesh Ambani's house, which is, I don't know how many stories are there, how many floors are there, but how well designed. Just look at the design part of the house of Mukesh Ambani. So credit goes to the architect. How nicely he has designed, where he has put the columns, where he has put the roof, how he has put the different parts of the different floors. So likewise, we want to develop a software having millions of codes in such a organized manner that we can have the modules in proper fashion. Whenever any type of requirement comes, we can just change that module and we should be able to repair the whole software. Not that if we bring out a module, the whole software collapses. It should not be like that. As you see in Mukesh Ambani's house, if you bring out a small portion of a small column, it should not collapse. So likewise, how to design a software having, you check how many lines of codes are there in Windows 10. I will ask tomorrow. How many lines of codes are there in any airline reservation system, in any banking system? Bank of America, you just check how many lines of codes are there. So how to organize them? So for that, we need to study a subject called as the software architecture. Slowly, the subject is being accepted by the software industries. Recently, a group of students have been recruited from our college for Oracle. They are being called as the software architect. So this subject is being slowly accepted by industry. They have to accept. They don't have any choice because UML design is not enough. So you have to, the industries are slowly accepting a branch called as software architecture. And you will slowly believe that without this subject, a large software cannot be designed. After completion of this course of 6 months, you will slowly appreciate it. So this is the first class today. Tomorrow we will start taking class. It is already getting delayed. I will not take much time. Go through the chapter slide number slides of chapter 1 and chapter 2, which Subham Ingole Bhaiya has sent to you, I think, in your mail. Please check it. And tomorrow we will have the class, chapter 1 from that book. And I will appreciate, don't be miser. Try to get the book from any store, Swapna store from Bangalore or any good store from Delhi or any second-hand store from any store. Wherever is available, please try to get that book. Cost will be around 400 or 500. Please check it. Software Architecture book by Taylor. Okay, that's all for today. I will expect you that you please join the class tomorrow at 4:10. Okay? And be attentive. Okay. That's all for today. That's all for today. Bye.
Thank
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
This is
Thank you,
an
sir.
introduction class.
Thank
This
you.
is an introduction
Thank you,
class.
sir.
Only will proceed.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you,
Tilaka.
sir.
Thank you.
Sheila. Thank you, Siddharth.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, try to go
Thank
you,
through
sir.
what is UML, why it is not sufficient. Submit 2 pages in mail to Debo Bhaiya. Debo Bhaiya will be sending a mail to you right now. Okay?
Yes.
Go through it
Okay, sir.
and make a note of it. Whatever I speak out, make a note of it.
So
Make
why
a
UML?
habit of,
So
yeah.
why UML is not enough?
You will, why UML? Because UML doesn't give emphasis on the architecture part. You will slowly read it. You read it.
Yes, sir, I
expect
will
to
read
hear
it.
from you. I expect to hear from you tomorrow. Okay?
Yes.
Everything you are no more a small child. You are able to give vote to Modi Babu or Sonia Gandhi. So you are quite matured enough. So I want to hear from you. It is your interest by which you can see your requirement. Okay?
Sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Okay. Yes, ask me.
Sir, I have an issue. Sir, tomorrow I will have a class that will be continuing to 4:30 p.m. and this class will be started on 4 p.m.
Who? You are from IS or software engineering?
I sir.
Yeah, so that no class can continue up to 4:30. No class. If the classes gets over at 4:15, so you talk with your supervisor, the IS student. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay.
No class can ever cross 4:15.
Okay.
So you talk with your with your faculty advisor.
Okay, sir. I will talk with him.
You talk. But the class timing is 3:15 to 4:15. It cannot be 4:30.
Actually, there is 3:15 to 4:30.
Absolutely not. It is 3:15 to 4:15. Every class is 1 hour. And my class, since it is the last class, I drag it to 5:30 or 6 or whatever maybe, because it is the last class of the day.
Okay, sir. I have already sent a mail to the professor and also you, sir.
Yeah.
Regarding that.
So, if he allows, fine. I don't have any problem. So have a talk with you. Okay? Okay, fine.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so we'll be meeting tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good
Bye,
evening.
Bye, sir.
I will be sending a mail to you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and you prepare 2 pages write-up and send it to him. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Sir, till when we have to send the write-up?
Why can't you do it tonight?
Okay, sir. Tonight.
So thing is that I want that you should be sincere, make note every day, and try to finish up before you go to bed. The requirement.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Because when the classes will start, it will run from 9 o'clock to 5:15 or 6 o'clock. In the daytime, you won't get much time. So you have to be in your colleges, wherever you are studying your BTech. I know what type of culture you have. Try to improve upon here. Okay? Try
Yes,
to improve.
sir.
You have a choice to improve. So please improve and identify your requirement. Okay.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
The mail is going to send to personal mail or
College mail, NIT mail,
web mail.
web mail.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. You, Deva Bhaiya will just right now will send a mail to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Everything through NIT mail. Okay. Bye.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, anybody? Okay. Anybody wants to ask me anything? No. Okay. Bye.
Thanks.
Should we leave?